Bro, why does losing a sneeze feel like emotional heartbreak? I'm sitting there like, oh, here we go, this is the one. Eyelid twitching, nose loading like Windows XP, and then it stalls. Now I'm staring at the ceiling lights like a malfunctioning robot, hoping the sneeze god blesses me. Someone asks, you good? No, I'm literally buffering. My face is doing gymnastic contortions, eyes watering, soul leaving my body, and then, poof, it's gone. No sneeze, no closure, just disappointment. I feel scammed by my own biology. Bro, I needed that sneeze more than my grades.